Hi everyone, A Gunpla here. We're here for another unboxing and we're gonna unbox the Mars 4 unit. This model kit has the Core Gundam, which is the real type, and the Mars 4 unit. Looking at the box cover, you can see the Core Gundam with the Mars 4 armor. So here is the Core Gundam, and that's the Mars armor, or Mars 4 armor. And this unit is released in November 2019. And this is one of Hiroto's mobile suit. So this is the close counter mobile suit. So this is the Mars 4. So looking at it, you have the amazing red color. It's part of the high grade Build Diver Rirai series and it's number 008. So looking at the side of the box, you can see the action of the Mars 4 as well as the Mars 4 unit. And then beside that, you can see the Core Gundam. Then mixing both of it, you could get the Mars 4 unit. So this Mars 4 is included in the planetary system for Hiroto. You could actually mix and match the other armor to create some unique designs. So this is the core docking system for all the planetary system armors. So looking at the side artwork, you can see the same cover art with the Core Gundam and the Core Armor unit or the Mars 4 unit. And then on the other side, you can see the front and rear view of the Mars 4 with a short description here. So if you want to read it, you can just pause it. And then a short introduction regarding the Build Diver Rirai series. So if you want to watch it, you could visit that link. And the standard warning here. So that's the outside of the box for the Mars 4 unit. And if you're wondering, the size of this is 29.9 in length, 19.9 centimeter in height, and then 7 centimeter deep. So we're gonna look what's inside the box. So we have bag number 1. The second bag. And lastly, the third bag. So we only have 3 bags for this kit. And here is the manual. So we're gonna check that in depth in a little bit. So let's check the manual. So here's the manual. So you can see this is the Mars 4 Gundam with the Core Gundam there and the Core Armor. So at the bottom of the front page, you can see the Mars 4 there with short description as well as Hiroto the pilot and some short description regarding Hiroto. So when you open it, it's a pretty standard Build Diver Rirai manual with the runner list, the warnings, and the building instruction. So you can see the building instruction in black and white. And the building instruction in full color. So you can see the amazing Mars 4 in full color as well as the Core Gundam and the Mars 4 armor. So looking at the back, you can see a posing of the Core Gundam and the Mars 4 armor, a short description about the Core Gundam and the Mars 4 armor. And then in the middle of the back page, you can see an explanation on how to customize your Core Armor and Gundam, as well as some short description regarding the weapons. At the bottom of the page, you can actually see the color conversion. So if you want to be accurate and you want to check the numbers, I'm just gonna zoom it in. You could actually pause it to get the information. And that's the manual for the Mars 4 Gundam. First of the runner is the runner A. You could get the orange color, the red color, the clear yellow parts, as well as the maroon darker brown color. So for the red color, it's the armor for the Mars 4 Gundam. And the orange part is the one for the core Gundam. So this is the color. Those are the waist armor or skirt armor. And this is the Biffin for the core Gundam, which is a clear yellow color. For the B runners, so this is B1, which is in white. And the other one is B3. Makes me wonder where's the B2 runner. So I'm not sure where it is. But for the B1 and B3 runner, all the white parts, which includes the head, the Biffin, some of the armors for the legs for the core Gundam, some of the shoulder, and then these are the armor for the feet, a backpack, and these are some additional armor, and I think these are back fins. So that's the B runner for the Mars 4 Gundam. Next is the C runner, which is in darker gray color. So these parts are mostly all the joints. You have the manipulator or arms, as well as the chest and hips, and some of the weapons. So this is the beam rifle. Next is the D runner. So the D runner is in darker blue military color. This is the docking system for the Mars 4 armor, as well as the feet for the Mars 4 Gundam. Next is the PC parts. So this PC parts is color black. So pretty straightforward PC parts. Lastly, for the runner is the SB runner. So you have the standard yellow beam sabers. And last is the stickers. So you have the standard stickers for the planetary system for the core Gundams. So you have the eyes and some of the light emitted parts in there. So if you want to see it, that's the sticker. And that's the unboxing of the Mars 4 Gundam. This is a pretty standard and it's pretty similar to other planetary system Gundams from the Build Diver Rai series. One thing to remember about this kit is that there's no B2 runner. So if you're wondering if you're missing the B2, you're not missing the B2. There's no B2 runner for this kit. One thing missing as well is the simple base that are included with the other planetary system Gundam. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification so you'll get notified every time I release a video. And once more, thank you for watching.